Do you want to save money running your hot tub? Of course you do. Daft question, yeah? In this short video, I'm going to show you one way to save money on your hot tub energy bill. Cheap and easy DIY project too. If you've got your inflatable spa sat directly on the ground, either paved or grass, then the ground will be absorbing around 25 to 30% of the heat energy from your water. In other words, you're burning electricity just to warm the ground. If you've got it on a raised wooden deck, then that will decouple the tub from the ground and your losses through the base should be reduced to about 15%. So that's a good saving straight away. Wherever you've got it stood, the next time you've got the tub empty and you're able to move it, insulate the base. Start with at least one layer of this foam that you can buy, which is often described as workshop flooring. It's exactly the same foam that they sell, branded up with your tub manufacturer's name as a base. But if you just buy it as foam flooring tiles, it's dirt cheap. Start with 2 layers, because that will double the insulation effect. Not only that, but if you would normally have your tub on a hard surface, like wood or paving, this foam adds to the comfort level when you're sat in there. I'm changing the water in my tub today, so I've been able to move it out of the way, and I'm now adding a layer of what's known as Thermawrap to my base. Thermawrap is known as AirTech in the construction industry. Thermawrap is its DIY name. I've cut 2 lengths off the roll and overlapped them in the middle and cut the corners off because I'm putting a round tub on top of it. But don't waste the triangles that you've cut off. Tape them into a square and just put those down on the middle to give a double layer in the centre of your tub. Tape the square that you've just made down in the middle. No need to go mad with the taping, I'm only doing that to stop the breeze from blowing it away while I put the tub back in position. Once there's 1.2 tonnes of water in there, this isn't going anywhere. I don't know the R value of this stuff, but according to the blurb that it came with, a layer of this is roughly equivalent to about 75 to 100 millimetres of glass fibre wool. I've got 3 layers in the very middle, 2 layers in most of the middle and a layer all the way around, so that should be a good amount of insulation. I won't be able to do a before and after cost comparison. I'm just working on the basis that insulation keeps heat in, and that's a good thing. And with the way electricity costs are going at the moment, the payback will be even quicker than it used to be. So I hope this helps you out, and I'll see you next time.